What's good, Wave Gang? It is Halloween today, and you know, usually I'll be out on a dirt bike somewhere at some Halloween ride out. But this year, we're doing it different, and we're playing it safe, because you already know, I ain't taking no risk for these feds and these Halloween ride outs. So we're about to go do a Halloween ride out on pedal bikes, and we're gonna see what's good. Yeah? Let's get straight into it. So right now, with the lads, man like fucking Bunny BMX over here, one evil bunny. But we're about to get fucking active. Gonna go on this pedal bike ride out and see what it's hitting for. Let's see what I got. So, we are at the link up spot. Man like Flake 1000.
What's going on?
Gang, the whole gang is out here. We're doing a pedal bike Halloween ride out. Mad, something new for me anyway. Bare leg work, no engines today. But yeah man, we active. We outside with it though, we outside with it. We outside with it, Halloween ride outs and that. Halloween ride outs and all that, bro. This is what we doing today. Pedal bike gang shit. Mad thing. Watch, let me throw it up. With the work. Oh. Slacking, mate. Fatty slacking, mate, I am. Hey, RJ, let me see something. RJ, let me see something. Let me see some combos or shit. Okay. Jesus Christ, mate. Oof. Okay, quickly. It's lit right now, yo. The crowd is going wild right now. My brother. Jeez. Keep that. Keep that. Jeez.
Watch.
You're a worm. You are a worm. No, B-Rad is a worm. Deep it. Big B-Rad just nearly took man out.
Flat you off today, watch.
I've nearly been taken out twice now. Just now, man. What's good? Hey, brother.
We've got Wavey out here, Halloween ride out.
We rolling. Oh! Kalas. The first drop of the evening. This is all mad. I ain't ever been on a night ride like this yet. This is all mad. Look at this man like hacks guy. It's all mad. Why, brother? And know this wind is gonna make me foot down. Blood is going off around here. What the fuck is even going on? Hey yo, this is a mad thing. What the fuck is even going on? I don't know, mate.
What is going on here?
Alright, as you can see, London.
Hey, it's fucking lit. It's going crazy up in there. You don't want to be it.
Swerving! I see you shining.
I see you shining.
We are outside. Oh! Nearly a collision, mate.
Babylon, pussy wolf in dead. Babylon.
It's
My, that was fucking proper close.
fucking close call that was, isn't it? Oh look, it's going off around here.
Yeah.
Bravery.
Oh my days, your girl's reckless, man. You see something? You off, man.
This is what Boris has done. Close the clubs down, the man them hit the streets. I love it. Good, yeah?
Hit off, Joe. I'm Joe's guy, Joe Graves, hit off.
Oh, yeah, my brother. That's active today still. It's all mad right now. That's what they got going on in Graffiti Tunnel, you know? Actually lit. Back on the roads right now. Got ducked by Jakes earlier. I'm alive again though, I don't know how, but you know, second wind of energy and that. Scatty ones. Yeah. Where's Baz? Oi Baz! Oi Baz! Told that! This is what the Wave Gang do. The Wave Gang are got, man, watch this. And we out, bitch! We out, bitch! All the way to the front of the pack, real quick, watch. 60 life, look, pedal that. Aye, on your right. Alright, or not. Pedal that, lad. Look, I ain't even pedaling, lad. On your right, on the way to the front of the pack right now. Express delivery. Man is out here right now. Baz just pushed man to the front of the pack. It's lit. They swerving. Woo! Aye, what way? Sharp left. In the city. Oi! What's happening, mate? It's quiet around there, it's quiet around there. Oh, a wild Jake 100 in the pack. Oh, and he put down like a worm. Hey! Outside with it! Oh yeah, outside with it! He's definitely buzzing. Don't know why these lot get so shook when they see feds. It's all mad. It's like you're on a pedal bike. I don't get it. It don't make no sense. Look, now once again. Oh my God. No, oi, who done that? Who done that? Nah, you're a dickhead. Blood.
You guys are like
A man just fucking
control the thing.
blood. A man just threw a fight. A man dashed a firework and it nearly hit, man.
You good?
Aye. I should headbutt you, to be honest.
I'm sorry.
Wow.
Guys, it was a miscommunication and that, yeah, with the firework. So I let it off and
He
it
nearly
decided to do
took,
my
man.
thing.
Aye.
At least I warned you, innit? I
Mad.
warned you before.
Mad. I was like, what? I just see a spot next to me and then the thing was there. Yeah, for real.
You good though?
Yeah, I'm good.
I've got a hold
So, what, from a firework?
from the fire. You always check yourself after
These lot are wild, fam, I can't lie. Wild dudes.
Halloween. Serious, yo.